So, everything is okay. Let us make the issue more clear.
Since the very beginning, there has been a rumbling anticipation that XRP will accomplish a significant milestone or achievement.
It was not only a potential that $10,000 would be spent, but it was also a given and an estimate.
Those projections have recently been given a significant advance.
When we talk about this image, we are talking about none other than Larry Finn of BlackRock approving it. And he is not only talking about a paltry $10,000 per XRP.
My goodness, he is making it sound like a fundamental must. As we prepare to take the next step, let's get right down to the meat of today's topic, which is the foundation. Please do me a very small favor. Simply clicking the like button, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the notification bell will allow you to become a member of our amazing community. Rest assured, things are going to get better. Massive financial institutions such as BlackRock and Vanguard are already giving XRP considerable consideration for use in their international financing activities. Concerning BlackRock, there are rumors going around introducing an exchange-traded fund ETF that will concentrate on XRP.
You did hear it accurately, but there is more to it than that.
Please be patient. That wasn't the point at which Larry Fink retired. He followed by analyzing the real estate market, which is estimated to be worth $30 trillion, and you can probably guess what the fundamentals of its future will be. With an incredible $1. 2 quadrillion coming from traders and international swaps through ISD. The association is set up to go through the XRP. The XRP ledger is ready to tokenize everything, and it is prepared to do so. As far as Ledger and Ripple are concerned, we are not simply talking about $10,000 per XRP here. That is child's play. A value increase of up to $60,000 is something that we might be able to anticipate. The next segment is waiting for us, so let's get right to it. Larry is of the opinion that BlackRock has just released yet another shocking. He is not merely expressing his thoughts. Rather, he is creating the impression that Ripple and its digital asset, XRP, are poised to engage in a very big activity. Tokenizing each and every facet, and in the sequence that follows. One of the elements that makes up our video is a clip that we have. The focus will be drawn to that. The fact that Larry appears to be confirming BlackRock's approach toward an XRP exchange-traded fund means that we won't have to wait much longer anymore. Here's the video clip that you have been anticipating. Waiting for the launching of the Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. If I may ask, are you planning to engage in another exchange-traded fund, ETF? XRP could be anything of interest. You have either available, ETF out there. I am aware of that.
Keep in mind XRP.
Might you be able to respond to that?
However, I am unable to perform what you asked me to do. My performance is satisfactory. That is not possible for me.
Please provide me the wrap. Thank you.
I am appreciative. Recent days have been marked by a whirlwind of anomalies in the world of cryptocurrencies, particularly with regard to this image of XRP that was posted on the well-known cryptocurrency exchange Krita. Whose value skyrocketed to an amazing $43,000. There is not a single instance of this happening. It is part of a bigger pattern in which the value of XRP has seen an unanticipated increase. A malfunction involving $7,000 worth of XRP occurred at a prominent exchange, as you may recall.
At this moment, Crypto.com is in the spotlight, and it would appear that sudden increases in the value of XRP are becoming increasingly prevalent across a number of different exchanges.
On the other hand, let's move on to something else. Something that I discovered after lengthy study that is similarly fascinating but has nothing to do with BlackRock or the general boom in the XRP market. Gary Gindler, the well-known head of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, who succeeded Jake Clinton, is the subject of our investigation. Gindler consistently rates XRP as a security, which is something that the vast majority of you are probably well aware of. The most fascinating section is right here.
Gary's brother, Robert M.
Gensler is an incredibly similar brother who is the same age as Gary. There is no comparison between the two. There is a significant part that Robert plays in price. It is one of the largest investors with a considerable stake in XRP Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you are also its vice president during this time when you realize that TR pricing is not just any investing organization. If you look a little closer, you will see that it is one of the most significant investors. Therefore, this has a link that is quite interesting.
In contrast, Gary Gindler was the one behind the wheel of the vehicle.
As of right now, the SAC continues to consider XRP to be a security. Through a well-known financial firm, his twin brother is a significant investor in RP as well as other cryptocurrencies. This is a very interesting position. It raises a lot of questions and concerns
regarding the intricate forces that are at work in the realm of cryptocurrency investments and regulations, which brings us to the intriguing possibility that Vice President of TR Price, Robert Gindler, possesses unique knowledge regarding the potential for XRP to be comparable to Bitcoin. This argument becomes more popular when you take into consideration the large holdings that the company has.
These three cryptocurrencies are as follows. Despite the fact that the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, publicly denies any instances of insider trading, a number of studies and articles have revealed otherwise. These studies, which focus on insider trading and market manipulation, have regularly brought public attention to questionable SAC operations. It appears that a pattern is developing in which officials from the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, are alerting their family members about which digital assets would soon be exempt from the classification as securities.
Afterwards, these relatives make initial investments in the aforementioned assets.
The value of the asset skyrockets when it is formally determined that it is not a security, which enables these friends and family members to make a substantial profit by purchasing the asset at a cheap price and selling it at a high price in any given circumstance. In this section, we will investigate the likelihood that Robert and Gindler were privy to confidential information regarding the potential loss of a case against XRP that was filed by his brother, Gary Gindler. Having such knowledge could give rise to the possibility that Congress will attempt to negotiate a resolution. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and Ripple Labs have created a fantastic opportunity for intelligent investors to purchase XRP. On the other hand, as the value of cryptocurrencies continues to climb, an increasing amount of capital is being invested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most crucially, XRP. There's been a lot of talk in the community about the possibility of XRP going off at an extraordinary rate of $10,000, $20,000, or even $60,000, particularly from analysts like Jack who have been enthusiastic about xrp. The Rippler expects a significant gain in value that might surpass $589. This prognosis, albeit being daring, brings to light the growing attention and speculation that surrounds XRP and the potential it possesses in the cryptocurrency sector. Wall Street is competing with one another for a share of the lucrative XRP pie, and if my intuition is correct, the first substantial move will be made through the use of an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF. Having said that, let's go even further into this new discovery. The news that we have from Crypt Basics is quite fascinating.
In response to the announcement made by an analyst that JP Morgan had made a significant